I'm going to narrate a real story which has happened at my home today. So if I narrate a real story in my way, so it will help me to improve my spoken English. So let's get started. So today a cloth vendor was passing by my street, and he was speaking like other language. He belongs to Kolkata, so he's speaking like Bengali language. He was speaking like Bengali language. So my mother decided to buy something, so my mother said to me, go and check what was he selling. So I went and I called him, and he said that I am selling some saris and some jeans clothes. He is belong to Kolkata, so he is. I think he was Bengali, so he was speaking Bengali, but he was also speaking English a little bit. So I could understand what was try to say. So my mother decided to buy a sari, but it was so expensive, like 2000 at a sari. So my mother-in-law started to bargaining with him, but at the end the sari was very good and lightweighted, and the color was so good. So that's why I decided to I decided I wanted to keep that sari, but my mother-in-law was not ready to purchase because it was so expensive. Then my mother-in-law negotiated the price, so he came down like 1,500. So I decided to take that sari, but my mother-in-law refused me. He didn't, he did not want to take that sari. So the color was good, but pattern was not good. I literally saying that. So when we didn't get any sari, the seller man was like getting angry to us, and he started that he forced us that you have to take this sari. So we had some confusion, and we had some doubt, so we didn't take any sari.